Hiya! I am going to give an update on the mini bike build off 2019. Dizzy, you're going down. Just so you know, Dizzy, this isn't just a bike show. Your bike's got to perform too. We're going to do a little rant. We're racing. But I'm stayed within our parameters. I got the lovely Honda. Friggin' badass. That ain't no Predator. So I'm gonna give you a little update, a little sneak peek of what she's gonna look like. If you're wondering, that's the frame. No, not yet, Dizzy, not yet. But just look on to it. She's a gold covers, gold there, and I left the original red. You know, gotta leave Honda red. And this was Pop's idea, my dad. We did the valve cover, gold, and then the clutch cover, gold. She's gonna be a quick one. Rebuilt it, took it apart, built it, put it back together. So there's your update with the mini bike build off 2018, which is happening in like 1 week and 2 days. Hopefully me and Dizzy can meet up, not beat up, because I'm gonna beat him up. Meet up Labor Day. But if we could do it like the day before or whatever, Labor Day weekend sometime, to meet up and officially, you know, show off the bikes and do a little racing. Yeah. So what I've been up to, RC cars. I was just working on my Blast RC boat. Probably should have put that on before starting my video. But we got my RC boat here. She'll go about 150 miles an hour. Bone stock. Take stickers off, she goes faster. Then we got Bigfoot here. She's a big one. This truck is my favorite. A, I love Bigfoot, and B, I love four-wheel drives. And I love old Fords. Two-wheel drive, it's a Traxxas, don't quote me, I could be wrong, Stampede. Had to replace the servo saver for the steering on the front today. About 2 months ago, I had to replace the shocks on it. But other than that, she runs like a champ. Do wheel stands and crush cars and stuff. And then hiding behind this remote, we have my little pre-runner. That is my first truck I ever bought. That was a Traxxas. Saved up all my little pennies and all my little dimes and nickels and bought that. But I will save the best for last. We have the 2018 Ford Mustang Traxxas Tech 4. It is a all-wheel drive drift car, drag car. Anybody you want to race, you'll beat them car. I was working on this, charging the batteries for right now, but I have my boat batteries in it. I have a boat battery. That is a boat battery in it, because the regular batteries are charged. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Playing with RC cars, working, mini bike build. I haven't done much fishing. I've just been so freaking busy. And if you look over there, the silhouette of the Jeep, the big white one. So yeah, you can't see me right now. So yeah, mini bike build off 2019. RC cars, living life to the fullest. Oh yeah. So there you go, Dizzy. You got your sneak peek. There is a video of the second half of the build, because the first half I recorded it. Mysteriously, the video deleted itself. So you're gonna get the rebuild. Other than that, you going down, Dizzy. If I can't beat you with my mini bike, I'll bring the Mustang, and I'll drag race you, and I will win. That car will go like 180 miles an hour. Just, so yeah, just figure I'd give you guys a little update on what's going on in Brandon Land and Quinaball Customs. There's my battery. So I'm gonna end this video. Peace.